What is the difference between saving and investing? Saving and investing your money can go hand in hand. Each has its pros and cons, and many people use a combination of both. But there are important differences between saving and investing. Saving involves putting money aside gradually for specific reasons, while investing involves purchasing assets that may increase in value over time. While saving is more convenient for emergency needs, investing allows you to reach your long-term financial goals. It's important to understand the difference between the two so that you can build your financial foundation accordingly. This article will be looking at the difference between saving and investing. We will define what each term means and explore some of the benefits of each. What does it mean to save money? Saving is a good way to build a rainy day fund, which can help you pay for unexpected expenses like a job loss or medical bills. It helps you create a safety net fund that can help you overcome unexpected financial hurdles. When an emergency arises, having funds saved up for these circumstances will ease your stress and help you deal with the situation. Saving is also a way to meet short-term financial goals such as buying a new phone, a car, a vacation, a down payment on a house, etc. Savings account is considered to be a safer, low-risk way to save your money. Depending on your goal, you can build your savings over time by making regular deposits. When the time comes, you can withdraw the money from your savings and earn a little interest as well. It's important to understand that savings accounts generally yield a low interest rate that lags behind inflation, and that inflation also reduces the value of a savings account. Although saving is generally considered a better strategy for short-term financial goals, it doesn't have the same advantages as investing. Saving offers more liquidity, while investing has the potential for greater growth and compound interest. Saving is an important part of financial life and a valuable safety net for unexpected costs. If you're looking for an emergency fund or a vacation, saving money is a low-risk solution with minimal tax implications. Putting money into a savings account. Savings accounts allow you to keep your money in a separate place from your regular checking account. This makes it easy to track your progress in saving money and can also serve as an extra account to hold excess cash from your checking account. But despite their convenience, savings accounts don't offer high returns compared to other savings instruments such as bonds and certificates of deposit that pay higher interest rates. Savings account rates can vary considerably. You should check with your bank or financial institution for the latest rates. Also, check out the minimum balance requirements. Some banks require a minimum balance for certain types of accounts, so it's important to stay on top of this criterion. Short-term goals are considered goals where you'll need the money within 1 or 2 years. If your short-term goal is a wedding or honeymoon vacation, it is better to save for this goal by investing a portion of your money in a money market account or CD, where you can earn better interest returns. Just remember not to touch the emergency fund for these type of expenses. Emergency funds should be exclusively used for emergencies. What does it mean to invest money? Investing is quite different than saving. One of the major benefits of investing is that it allows you to earn a higher return. Investing is a long-term strategy for building wealth, and it involves putting money into assets or the stock market. This process can result in a short-term loss or gain, but the goal is to make a profit over time. Compound interest and capital appreciation are two of the key benefits of investing, and they are often used to achieve long-term financial goals. Compound interest is when you earn interest on the capital you have invested, and on top of that, on the interest you have earned. Capital appreciation instead is when your investment keeps on increasing in value over time. In order to invest, you need to gain some knowledge about how the market works, and you'll also need to understand what makes a good or bad investment. This knowledge can help you make wise decisions. Long-term financial goals should be set far enough in advance to allow sufficient time for the money to accumulate. The best method to use depends on your personal goals and time frame. It's also important to consider how much risk you're comfortable taking. For example, if you're investing for your retirement, and you are worrying every time the market experiences a downturn, then you should probably stick to a more conservative approach that will let you sleep better at night. While investing has a higher risk, it's worth it if you have a long-term goal and an emergency fund already established. You should always have a well-balanced strategic investment portfolio in place and a solid financial plan. If you have enough patience, investing will give you a larger return on your money. Investing to grow wealth. If you're looking to invest your money, there are many options available. These include stocks, mutual funds, index funds, ETFs, bonds, real estates, etc. When investing, it is best to invest in a diversified portfolio of different asset classes. This will spread out your risk across several investment vehicles and will help you minimize the volatility in the market. It's important to keep more than one long-term account to meet different needs. When choosing an investment, it is also important to manage costs effectively, or they can eat up a big chunk of your profit over time. The key to harnessing the market is to be patient, disciplined, and tolerant of risks. Overspending your money will negatively affect your wealth building. You need to focus on increasing your income and lowering expenses. You can also increase your earning power by enhancing your skill set to help you land a better job, increase your salary, or create a side hustle. As long as you keep your expenses under control, you can build a massive amount of wealth over time. The key to investing successfully is patience. When you invest your money for the long term, your money has more time to grow. Investing can be challenging for people with high-interest debt balances. While paying off debt is one way to improve your financial situation, it doesn't solve the underlying issues. In order to avoid making the same mistakes again, it is crucial to track your spending and start investing your cash flow. This way, you can create a better life in the future. In conclusion, while saving is essential to pay property taxes at the end of the year or take a vacation next summer, investing can be useful in the future when you're faced with an unexpected business opportunity or are looking to retire. While saving alone will not make you rich, it is an important step towards financial security. Setting aside a fixed amount each month for emergency funds and an investment fund is a great way to grow your wealth while keeping a safety net. A financial advisor can help you understand the advantages and disadvantages of both, as well as the best accounts to choose for your needs. Please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe and click on the bell, it will help me a lot. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video.